Yesterday, I talked about Dutch nephew, and this is an updated picture of him. That's him in the blue, and that's him on the right side of your screen. His name is JABAREE DELEON, and he is a known violence offender. Now, him and 2 guns is wanted by international police, and this video is going to prove it. But this guy right here, he is a very, very, very violent and dangerous guy. If anybody see him, I would call the police, for real. Dangerous boy, he need to come off of the street. Let's go.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
It's Countryman again. Just I lick you with some wisdom, and I lick you with some knowledge. You gotta take inside your brain. It says, son, I've learned a lot out of reading people's faces. No matter how them are going, like them original, them fake. You gotta know when to walk and know when to run and know when to fall and know when to stand.
Viewers' discretion is advice. One more time. Viewers' discretion is advice. Now, you see that boy with them called him 2 guns are the most stupidest motherfucker I know. Like I said, him leave Trinidad, you know, and then go Grenada. When him go Grenada, to go do music. What the boy do, he started hanging with the Bloods then. And from hanging with the Bloods then, him is a 7. Him is really a nobody, you know. All him do, him have 2 chains on him neck. He's a 2-face, and he knows that yo, him couldn't survive back in a Trinidad. That's why you see him go so boom and went back to Grenada. When he go to Grenada now, him link with Dutch nephew and the other 2 youth then. And then get rid of Wangi, like I said. After that now, people started asking, where the boy are there, who are keeping Ray. And he was actually linked to the youth named Skippy. Once man and man link him to Skippy, which would be Wangi them man will support the Crips and Wangi them side. They started realizing Skippy was a part of that, and Skippy was hiding it. That put Skippy on the map, plus Skippy had other things going on with Wangi and other people. Now, this you right here, him and the guy I spoke about yesterday, they're wanted and the police know that they are involved because people are talking. That's why I made the comment when the lawyer spoke out. And the lawyer knows that, listen, there's multiple people involved, there's witnesses, and people get shot. But, long story short, this youth have 2 guns, and the most stupid motherfucker. Because in real life, him fuck up in a Trinidad. Because the 7 then, it seems like them did have a washing. Because if I am not lying, you know, this guy right here, him used to flex with the 6 at one point, and then he jumped ship to the 7. Man, them want brush him in Lego got Trinidad, Grenada. And then he went to Grenada, influenced this man or man influence him, whatever the thing is, and went down there and then now this capital murder. Him and Dutch nephew. I'm gonna play a clip and then I'm gonna come back and round it up. I'm gonna listen to this.
TriniBad artist wanted by Grenada cops for murder. The TNT Police Service and the Royal Grenada Police Force are currently working together to apprehend Trinidad artist 26-year-old Zarin Wheeler, also known as Two Guns, of Belgrade Street East Drive River, and a well-known criminal offender identified as 28-year-old JABAREE DELEON, who are wanted in connection with the offense of capital murder. Wheeler has reportedly gone into hiding, following claims that international authorities are spearheading the manhunt for him. Between 5:30 p.m. and 6 p.m. on Wednesday, July 3, 2024, 4 officers assigned to the Interpol Bureau visited the East Dry River as part of the search effort. However, he has yet to be found. Wheeler reportedly visited Grenada as part of a music tour that spanned over 2 months and allegedly returned to Trinidad in mid-June. DeLeon, on the other hand, is no stranger to police, as he has been a person of interest since 2017. In a release dated from June 29th, the Royal Grenada Police Force appealed for the public's help in locating Wheeler. They described him as having a slim-built, brown complexion, dark brown eyes, and black hair. Grenada officials advised that Wheeler is wanted by police for questioning in connection with the offense of capital murder, and they are warned the suspect may be armed and dangerous and should be approached with caution. Investigations are continuing. Stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to
Prove my point, and to be honest, I didn't even know this video had exists, but somebody sent it to me this morning, and I said, just let me do an update on this. But one thing I want to say, you see, Grenada, a lot of the crime in Grenada is heavily influenced by Trinidadians. Trinidad is the largest trading partner with Grenada because a lot of the stuff Grenada needs comes from Trinidad. So there's always a constant link, constant trading, constant business going on. So, you know, it's a dicey situation because remember now, a lot of Grenadans live in Trinidad, especially in the part near Marima, and a lot of Trinidadians have family in Grenada. So the two countries then link from a long time ago. So, you know, the Grenada authorities have to really do something about that, because what this is going to do, what this does, it show how crime escalate at Grenada, and them can no longer keep it undercover. Listen, more videos coming. My name is Countryman.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.